The hose clamps secure your small engine's fuel lines. The clamps secure the fuel lines to the nipples on the fuel tank, carburetor, etc. The hose clamps can weaken over time. They can be lost or accidentally thrown away when the fuel lines are replaced. Installing new hose clamps is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before working on the fuel system on your lawnmower, be sure to drain the gas from the fuel tank. Let's get started. The fuel clamps fit over the nipples on the various components of the fuel system. First, I'll open the clamp with a pair of pliers. A wide pair of pliers like this is helpful. I'll pull the clamp away from the nipple. Now remove the fuel line from the nipple. And again, remember, I've already drained the gas from the system. Again, I'll use my pliers to open the clamp and slide it off the end of the fuel line. Now I can install the new clamp. I'll reconnect the fuel line. And slide the clamp over the fuel line above the nipple. And that's all it takes to replace the hose clamp on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.